Show me your glass. Oh.
Hold your glass, Mommy. Take your picture.
No, I got a video. Cool. Look at that glass. Hi.
Hi, Kenna. Where did you get that glass?
Where'd you get that glass? The Rainforest Cafe?
Yeah. Here you go.
Oh. Oh. No. Cool.
Good job.
Whoa.
Can I get through?
Did you have fun? Did you have fun today? Go to
Wheel.
go on the wheel.
What else?
We'll go in the chair.
On the chair at the restaurant.
And what about fries at McDonald's?
You had McDonald's
And
fries.
rain again.
And it rained again.
Rain again.
And we walked and walked.
And we saw the big buildings and the city.
And the fire trucks.
Whoa, whoa. Good job, buddy.
And all the big buildings and all the cars, Kenna. We went to the city.
All done.
We went
Cool
to
glass.
the city, you country hip girl. You.
Country hit girl.